Welcome to my channel. My name is Anna, and in today's video we'll be creating a color system for our UI design in Figma. So why do we need a custom color system? We need a color system that is consistent across all the products we are creating, application to the website to the mobile application. Color is a huge way to connect with our users. It evokes emotions, trigger them to take particular actions we want them to take that helps the business achieve their goals. So if this is something you're interested in, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So I got this based on illustrations. So what I search for when I'm working on the project is the industry I'm working on, the video is food. I just search food, then illustrations. So the reason is because I'm actually like outsourcing the color combination to like just use to illustrators that already have that content, something similar to this outside. But before I do this, I already have like the main color I'll be using. The main color I'll be using is green. Is have a frame and select my primary and secondary brown colors that I will be using. So for my primary brown color, that is this green. So for my secondary brown color, I'm going to select two other colors, right? Two other colors to use. And I'm selecting this shade of red. So contradicting, then I have three options, but let me just see which one goes for the brand. Which one do I have to want this, then okay, thank you. So okay, I think the second one is this. So I need to let go of one of those three colors. And somehow, I think I like the red, but I just did not go with the gray to be honest, because isn't this red and green, I think with accessibility is just out of the way. It's just out of the way. Maybe I can use it for some illustrations, but it is out of the way. So I'll use this too as the brand color, as the brown color. So I'll use this particular three as the brown color. The reason why I limit my illustrations, my inspirations to just maybe one or two is because with more options, it takes longer for you to make decisions. And I want to eliminate that, which is why I'll just go for this two. This is for the brand, right? So I'm going to create a frame, presentation, and I want this. So what I want to do is I want to have my color here. First, I need to check with this pass here, definitely pass accessibility test. With this pass accessibility test, might not, definitely might not, but this is like a pastel color. Yeah, pastel color. I love this. I love this. To be honest, I love this so much. So I think I'm just going to create, then I'm going to create a color system from these three colors. The first one is this color. I'm just going to create this as my, so first is just create this as, no, this as a color system. So the moment I select this, it goes to variable styles, and I want to ensure these styles are not variable. Then styles, I want to make sure this is primary. So the way my naming system is primary, then assets for the main. So this is what I do, asset for the main, Then from this particular color, I want to create other color system. So because I already create this as a style, so now I have to detach. So yeah, I want us to go in. If you have yours in any of this color system, just go to HSL. Because we're going to be using the lightning value. This is hue, saturation, and lightning, then the opacity. We're going to use this lightning value to manipulate what we want on this design, on this color. So this is 28. I'm going to go in and get 30. So 30 is like a lighter version of that. Then I'm going to go in and get 40. Okay. So I'm going to go in and get 60. Get 60. Okay, I think I'm still in the color. I'm going to duplicate. So I'm going to duplicate this over and over again. So with this, I want this to be, I want 70, 80, 90, and 95. So I want 70. I want this to be 80. I want 85. So I think the width for this is 153. I will just use that. And include all of this in the auto layouts to just like easily. So what I want here is, I think 85. This is 80. 80, 85. Then I'll come in here and change it to 90. Then 95. And basically that is it. So I'm going to, you can see that's how I just have, all I had to do is just add this to the system. So I already have this added as a primary asset. So it's just going to be primary, then the particular number. So let me make this as an example. Then the styles is going to be primary. What was this? What's the HSL? 30, okay. So it's going to be primary 30. Because at this stage, to be honest, you do not know what elements you're using these colors for. You just want to have a system which you can select from. So I'll just go ahead and add others. You notice we have our primary slash then the name or the numbers. In this situation, I use accent to ensure that this is the main color I'll be using for my buttons because I already made that decision. That's what the main color is for. And that's why I add it as accent. So I do not make a mistake. I use 30 or 40. So I want to use this particular number. And that's why I have it separate and others in their own number. And if you can see, like with the slash, it actually groups all this under primary. So primary slash a particular number, and all that is under primary. Then I have secondary, which is this. And I'm going to do the same thing, but the difference is with the secondary color, you do not need too much of this color in your designs. It's just to complement what you already have. But it's 80, 90, 70, and the deep ones, the darkest version, which is like maybe 20. So I'll just go ahead and do that. We are done with the secondary color, then the complementary color, which is this. We needed to add this, but we're going to just need the same thing with this one, but like with limited ones that we definitely need. The HSL for this is 72 already, so we do not need 70. So yeah, that's it. I select the 40, 80, 90, and the 20. So the 20, the way the lightning works is the more higher the number it is from 0 to 100. So from 0 to 40 are like the darkest parts, which is this is 20, this is 40, right? And from 40 to 100 it just gets lighter. So from any number closer to 0, as much as you are moving closer to 0, it is a darker part of that color, right? And if you are moving closer to 100, it is like the lightest version of that color. And if the color is 100, you can see it is the white FFF, and if it is made 0, it is black. So this is just you selecting between the lightning of the values. So you just understand. This is just to explain how it works, so you know why these colors are like this. So I'm just going to add this into a style, and with adding to styles, apart from that, if you already know what you'll be using this for, you can write your description here. Currently, we do not know what the description will be. We can later go in and edit this description, but currently we do not have that. So you just have input to what we currently have. Selected the color for the brand. So far that we'll be using in our UI. Now we need to select neutral colors, black and white. We need gray gray colors as well. So we need the gray color for our forms, our disabled states, and all of that. We need the white for the backgrounds, different background we're going to be having, and we need the black too for text. So let's just go in and start selecting our colors. So I'm going to get this, something like this. So the first one is I need to detach the particular style this has and go into select this. So I'm going to select our main color and I'm going to have 10 from here. So I end up using 2 to get, this is the shade of black that we use. So this is our darkest black. And for the white, so you duplicate for the white, this is the purest white, just move your, still on the particular design, move it to the top. And ensure this is 98. It's going to give us FA, regardless of the color. This is exactly what we wanted. Then I'm going to add the shadows to this. Just click on effects. So that stands out that there's something there. Then I go in to select this particular color as well. And now I'm just going to select 98. So I don't know if we can tell the difference between the two. So this has a tone of our color, while this is just neutral. FA, and this is F8. Even though they're likely are both 98. So yeah, that is it. And the second thing I want to do is start selecting our gray color we want. Now going to this, what we have here. The only difference is we are moving this away from this area that has the green, moving it here, right to this corner, to get a neutral gray color that does not have a shade of green, right? So I'm going to move this to the top. 26, I think 24, 23, yeah. And I'm going to move this again. Going to duplicate this and get a lighter shade that's 40. Then I'll get a lighter shade that is like 60 and 70. Right there, and so I'm 75. So we select our text, our shade of gray and white, as well as black. So we do not need too much of gray in our designs. So do how to present your color.